Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here again. We have got a auction coming up in May of 2023. I don't know the date right off the top of my head, but government surplus and a state vehicle auction, vehicles, equipment. Let me see what else is there. A bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Typical, you know, general sale. This is a 2002 Ford. This is, of course, government surplus. It is a Reefer truck, Reefer cube truck, ITB body on it, insulated ITB body. Let me see right here, 12-foot cube van is what it says. Very low kilometers on this. I'm just going to wander around the truck here and let you take a kind of a look at it. I've got the hood up because it's just way easier to deal with that before I start up this video. Took us a little bit to figure out how to get that Thermal King Reefer to fire up, but we have it on and it feels like it's blowing cold air. It's only been on for a couple of minutes though, so not really sure. Barn doors on the back, a couple of work counters inside. My understanding is this vehicle was used for delivering supplies to concessions at one of the local municipalities. You can kind of hear the fan blowing in there. Checkerboard aluminum or checker plate aluminum floor, drain hole over in the corners, kind of right down here and right down here. I'll just put my hand up here. Feels cool, not really cold. So, well, maybe a little cold. It is a warm day, so that's a Thermal King. Let's see, there you go there. Like I said, there's a couple of work counters in the back, or a work counter in the back with some storage racks on the side. Gas-powered vehicle. This one here's got one of the Triton V8s in it, I believe. Well, that really kind of freaked me out. I guess there's a safety block there. Tires appear to be in good condition. Well, that one's got a nail in it right there. Just happened to see that. Michelin on the front anyways. So 12-foot body, ITB, insulated. Dualies on the rear. It is an E350 Super Duty. Seats are overall probably in pretty decent condition. Not a lot of wear on the passenger side. Must have been a one-person show.
They would have increased dramatically the funding to the Justice Institute. Dramatically.
I'll let you listen to the motor here since I've got her up. Definitely something with a belt there. I'll go give it a rev and see if it goes away.
And we also know that the SPS
So it looks like a 5.4 liter Triton V8. I'll try and do this here. I'll let you fly around a little as I... So the Thermal King is a V-280 on the outside. Digital controls inside here. You can see it right here. It says the temperature's going down. Controls seem to operate.
Well, I think the public has said very clearly to me that they want to keep the RCMP in Surrey. today, even today, 4.5 years later, we know.
So we've got, okay, I gotta get rid of that. Oh. So we have 79,841 kilometers. The ABS light is on. I can see that. All the other lights came on and did shut off. So interior's in pretty good condition. Glass appears to be in good condition. Various lights and controls. There isn't air conditioning here. So, yeah. So this is selling by Unreserved Online Auction. We're All City Auctioneers. We are located in Langley, British Columbia. This will sell it to the highest bidder. And we use the auction site called bcsurplus.com. And there's some more of the vehicles and equipment in this auction sale. Mowers and police cars, pickup trucks. Water tanker. So this is selling in May of 2023, and hope you get another buy auction.